Trust is our currency. So if the customers trust us to solve a problem today, to be able to solve the problem of tomorrow, that's a great place to be. And you can't really replace that with bots. Yeah, and we've gone through a lot of changes, and some of them have been quite tough. So I think setting a clear goal and setting a clear vision, communicate that vision clearly, repeatedly, and 3 times as much as you think is necessary, and that still won't be enough. Checking in with people. How are you? How are we doing? How's your team doing? What can we help you with? And that clarity of communication is very important. Another aspect is you have to make hard decisions. Don't procrastinate. Just make those hard decisions. Explain the hard decisions to those who are affected and say what you need to do and why you do it. And be very upfront and honest. So honesty is very important. And then I think thirdly, when you go through changes, there will be a lot of commotion. There will be emotions involved, and you just need to stay calm. So I know that ultimately people will look at me, and if I'm calm, probably people think that they can stay calm.